Hi, this is Al Landover with Landover AI, and we're going to spend some time in this video talking about the NoCode Chatbot Builder from Chatling, which is one of the partner companies that we work with. This is by far the easiest way to build chatbots that I've come up with. It's a simple interface here. As you can see, it's a no-code drag and drop interface where you're able to bring blocks onto this work surface, and here we're programming the variables associated with those blocks. We have a send message block coming onto the surface, and we click on that, and that opens up that window where we can put a message in there and utilize the variable that came from the first message where we captured the user's contact name. And now we're bringing up a new block. This one is going to capture text, and we're going to set the variable that we'll use to capture that text. And then here, this is an AI response block. This is an AI agent right inside of our chatbot. So we'll put the user question as the prompt. And here then we have a built-in preview right within the window in the builder section of NoCode Chatbot Builder. And as you can see, the chatbot is functioning properly. So it's simple as drag and drop, pull these blocks out, drop them onto the surface. We've got lots of different types of blocks we can choose from, lots of power and capabilities with this. Really is a very powerful builder. And one of the things that is the most powerful with regard to this tool is the ability to add data to the large language model. When we think about AI, we have to think about saving data and saving files differently than we did with normal computers and back in what we're currently doing. As opposed to saving a file and then retrieving it later in a Word or PowerPoint or some document reader, what we do with AI is we actually are adding the data to a data set, and this data set is structured in a unique way. There's a lot of math involved in generating that data set, but basically that's what happens is we take our documents that we want to train a large language model on, and we apply math to it and add it to the large language model. So now they're our AI agent of that data. And in the case of what we're doing here, the data that we can bring in can come from websites. Put a website URL in, it's going to scrape 1,000 links off of that website. If it's bigger than that, we can use a sitemap. Or we just put a list of URLs, just a bunch of individual URLs with good information that we want to train a chatbot on, so our chatbot's familiar with whatever is on those web pages. We could put text in, just copy and paste text in, and train the chatbot, train the large language model that the chatbot is going to be utilizing with this data. Or it could be documents, Word, Excel, text file. But anyway, training the chatbot is very easy. You can certainly customize it. We can get great analytics out of the chatbot as well. We can see when it's being used and who's using it, and user activity. We get lots of good details. So really, it's just a very, very powerful product. It's a very easy to use product. And my goal here is for people to learn how to be builders of these AI agents rather than just consumers. Why use someone else's AI tool when we can create our own? And that's what we'll be able to do with this tool, is create our own AI agents. And again, these agents can have multiple tools, multiple AIs within them. Another thing just to take a quick second to talk about is from a security standpoint, Chatling, the service that we're using, is GDPR compliant. This is the highest level of compliance for the European Union, and it's really the global standard for data center compliance. And as you can see, all of their functions are running in servers in the United States, so it's just a really powerful tool. I'm sure folks are going to find very easy to use and empowering, as you can imagine, all the different ways that we can build AI agents.